He wants me to cook to show that I care. How can you cook when his bank account is already cooked? Period. These men thinks women are slaves. He clearly needs a chef, not a wife, if he can afford it. Oh my God.
Videos like this are going viral on social media platforms like TikTok and others. And if you watch this video from the very beginning till the end, I am going to show you how to create this kind of videos for free using the newly launched Google VEO 3 AI. I am also going to show you how to access VEO 3 AI for free without going through anybody. You know, there are some people on social media telling you to bring a certain amount of money so that they can give you access to the VEO 3 AI. No, you don't need money. So I am going to show you how to access VEO 3 AI for free in this particular video. I am also going to show you how to prompt your video in a way it is going to give you the actual result you want. Like I said, all you need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. But without wasting your time, let us dive into the video. To get started, come to Google and search for VEO 3 AI so that you can access it like this. Search for it like this, and then you click on VEO 3 AI to bring you to where it says create with VEO 3 in Gemini. So we are going to be creating on VEO 3 with Gemini, and we'll also be creating on VEO 3 with Flow. I am going to show you how to do that in this particular video, how to create it on Flow and also how to create it on Gemini, and also the difference between the VEO 3 AI videos you create on Flow and the one you create on Gemini. So let us go to VEO 3 AI in Gemini first. So this is how it goes. I'll go ahead and click on try view, and then it is going to bring me to this place because I am already registered and subscribed to the platform. It has a 1 month free subscription to anybody who is able to subscribe. So I already made a video on how to subscribe to VEO 3 AI. I'm going to attach the video here, as you can see it here. So go ahead and watch that video if you don't know how to get VEO 3 AI for free. So let us go ahead and generate our video. I'll just go ahead and say, okay, let me type my prompt. I'll come back and show you guys. Here is my prompt that I gave VEO 3 AI on this particular session. It says, generate a video of 2 beautiful Nigerian women in their late 40s in a podcast setting. They are wearing stylish Nigerian traditional outfits. The background of the studio has the inscription SP Studios on it with stylish lettering. The woman on the left says, he wants me to cook to show that I care. The one on the right responds with, how can you cook when his bank account is already cooked? And they both laugh out loud, with the first one saying, period. So this is what I want the people in the podcast to say. I'll go ahead and click on this place, this button for it to generate the video. Let us see what we are going to get. We're going to wait for it to generate. All right, let's see what we get on Gemini. Okay, it says the video will take 1 to 2 minutes to generate. So if you don't know how to use VEO 3 AI, like I said, check out this video to learn how to generate videos with VEO 3 AI. This is very simple to do. And finally, our video has been generated. Let me show you guys the magic we did with Google VEO 3 AI. I'll go ahead and click on it to play.
He wants me to cook to show that I care. How can you cook when his bank account is already cooked?
Now, this is superb. This is amazing. Like, this is just the kind of podcast video that can go viral on, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube Shorts, everywhere. So you can actually start up a whole YouTube channel like this. So I am also going to show you how to create this kind of, video on the Flow version of Google VEO 3. So you're going to compare both versions and see which one you like. So let me show you. You can also, I'm also going to show you how to continue creating this video if you want a next part where they are going to continue the conversation. So we are going to head over to Google and search for Flow Video AI. Sorry, I'm going to say Flow Video AI. Okay, it's already popped up because I searched for it before. So I'll just go ahead and click on this one here. And okay, so it is bringing out the Gemini stuff again because they are connected. They are both Google products. So I'll scroll down and come to this place where it says Flow AI. So this particular one here, Google Labs. I'll click on it and wait for it to load. Okay, when it loads, it is going to bring us to the full interface. I think my network is a bit slow today. Good. Just click on create with flow and it is going to load and bring you to the interface where you are going to create the same video like the first one. So as you can see here, we are on Flow AI interface. This is the platform. This is where you are going to generate your own video using the Flow version of VEO 3 AI. So as you can see, we accessed it with the same Google account. It doesn't matter. You can still access both Flow and Gemini with the same Google account. So what I'm going to do right now is to just paste the same prompts we used in the other video here. Okay, so after pasting it like this, I will just go ahead and check the setting. I will make sure that our output per prompt is 1 so that it's not going to waste our credits. And then I'll click on where it says VEO 2 fast. I'll scroll down to this last one here where you see VEO 3 quality better audio. So I'll just click this one, this last one here. Then I'll go ahead and click on this button here so that ChatGPT is going, VEO 3 AI, is going to do the magic. I'll just click on this place and wait for it to load. Okay, so in less than, let me say, 2 minutes, our video is going to generate. I'll come back and show you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this to see what we got here.
He wants me to cook to show that I care. How can you cook when his bank account is already cooked? Period. He wants me to cook to show that I care.
Now, this is how you create videos using VEO 3 AI. So let me show you how to continue this video. If you want to continue the conversation, I'm going to show you how to continue the conversation without changing the quality of the video, also without changing the character. So to continue with this conversation in this podcast, all you are going to do is to just modify your prompts. Change some things, especially the things these women are going to say in the next scene. So this is what I said. I said, use the same women in the previous video. Generate a video of 2 beautiful Nigerian women in their late 40s in a podcast setting. They are wearing stylish traditional Nigerian outfits. The background of the studio has the inscription SP Studios on it with a stylish lettering. The woman on the left says, "These men think women are slaves." The other one says, the other one responds with, "He clearly needs a chef, not a wife." And they both laugh out loud with the first one saying, "Oh my God." So the next thing to do now is just click on this button here and make sure that everything is okay. Text to video. The version of this video is on the highest quality, which is VEO 3. And then the output per prompt is 1. And then you go ahead and click on this arrow button here to generate the video. And then it will start generating now. We are going to, wait for it to load. I'll come back and show you the video later. Okay, the video has been generated. Let us see what we got from VEO 3 AI this time. It's looking like the characters are not consistent in this video, but it is still the same women, actually, the same looks, but they are wearing the same, different outfit now. So let me see how it goes. Let us play the video and see.
These men thinks women are slaves. He clearly needs a chef, not a wife, if he can afford it. Oh my God. These men.
Okay, I think this is perfect. Although the outfit has changed from what it was in the previous video to this one. So that is just one thing about AI. It is not always consistent. Even though I tried prompting it several times to give me the same outfit, but I don't know. I guess it is what it is. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to download this video, click on download here, and then download with the original size. Yeah, so that it will not waste our credits. Do you understand? So the next thing to do now is you're going to download this video and then post it on your YouTube Shorts or TikTok account. You can actually create a whole TikTok account or YouTube Shorts channel to be posting this kind of video. When you post it, you use a viral hashtag, let me say VEO 3 AI hashtag, AI podcast hashtag, and then post it and see how far your video is going to go. Yeah, this is just how to use VEO 3 AI to create this kind of videos.